What's going on, guys? Well, Easter weekend is over, and we're back at the Forex market here. So, just want to throw this disclaimer out there that trading the financial markets may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not guarantee of future results. In this case, it could work for you or against you. Keeping that in mind, there will always be risk trading the financial markets. You have to remember that firstly, right? If somebody is telling you that again, guaranteed profits, well, then something is wrong. So what I'm about to share today is some information about the training and some real world scenario cases where I had to literally face last night till this morning on trading account as well. All right, so I want to get straight into it and let me share that information with you for the training. Right. So training 500 TT guys. When I now started back in 2019, I spent a lot of money. I paid my due diligence. Simple as that. I learn, I practice, and now I'm here, compile everything, compress it, and I'm bringing it to you for 500 TT. That's the price for now, right? Prices are subject to change in the future. Keep that in mind as well. You get an interaction session as well, excuse, right? So you're gonna be introduced to like you're brand new, nothing. You're coming in to learn, so you're gonna be introduced with the basic information, trading terminology, and straight to the chart, right? Three in one combo you're getting. So it's 6 days is the duration of the course, 1 hour via Zoom. So let's talk about the days, what information is being shared on the specific days. Right. So day one, introduction to Forex currency pairs. We're gonna talk about quotes and base, right? Day two, leverage margin market participants on different order types. Into day three, you're gonna get introduced to the news, how it affects the charts, and day four, developing a trading plan, Forex trading strategies, and risk management and trade management. Right. Into day five, practice trading is a duplicatable process. The same thing you're going to be doing in a real account. Your back testing, forward testing. Day six takes you all into the psychology part of things, dealing with the mindset and stuff. So really, really cool information going to be shared. Like I mentioned, 500 TT, 6 days, and you're going to be taught a lot of information. You don't have to have any knowledge about Forex whatsoever. So we have a lot of positive feedback so far. Students, a lot of testimonials coming out. Um, I don't think I have a picture of it on the PC, but you all could always reach out to me for a little feedback and hear what people have to say and stuff about it. So for more information, you could reach out to me on the number on this flyer there. You could get me on WhatsApp as well. Right. So let's talk about some trading. All right. Let's talk about some trading now. So last night, I mean, guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. Started the account with 150. We made the account to basically to about 180. And yesterday was Easter Monday, right? So the markets was pretty slow. Coming to the night, the market, we didn't see any confirmations whatsoever during the course of the day to either execute a trading idea. Again, all this information is going to be explained in the training if you're brand new. But you have the opportunity of coming in here and earning some nice, decent cash as well. It's USDT, so it's 8.5 TT to 1 USDT. That's typically the normal price itself. So in Trinidad, the trainer is going to explain to you like how to get a TT to crypto, crypto to trade, and the reverse back to get it out cash in hand, right? So here it is. I mean, you can see my screen here as well. Yesterday, this was about 8:48, right? Or 7:48, 8:48, around that time. I got some confirmation to sell the gold, right? To sell the gold. And this is basically a real account you're watching here. So this account was up to $180 and I decided to sell the gold. When I sold the gold based on the confirmation at that given time, you can see here this is the trading chart, and I'm showing you a real world scenario case here. You know, typically what you do, you line up all the confirmations, you execute the sell, you put your stop loss above, well, the wick on the pass and stuff based on the highs and stuff, right? or even lose if you're buying. So we put we stop loss there. We execute the idea to sell around this candle here. Guess what? The market, and I mean, we had strong confirmation that it was going to sell at that given time. If you look at the time here, it lines up to the order being placed, right? Now, if you're going trading and you're not sure what you're doing, that is why the training is important. Taking the course, the crash course for 500 TT. Somebody would have going selling gold without putting a proper stop loss. And this stop loss you're watching here is a big stop loss. This is like over like close to 200 pip stop loss, right? And basically what happened there, the stop loss hit within a very short space of time. There's a 5 minute time frame. Literally in 5 minutes, a candle has been formed. So you could see like in an hour or two, or even an hour, the stop loss was hit. So this was minus one time, right? When I check back the phone, I see my account $119. And I like to tell you that happened fast because I didn't trade Sunday. I didn't trade Monday, the holiday, right? Sunday night into Monday morning. I was waiting on a confirmation from USD card on the Monday, but the card, the US dollar, was low in strength, and all of a sudden it just gained strength, and then it dropped back out. So I believe it we are fake out, and it affected gold too, right? So basically, what happened here is stop loss hit, and it's a good thing it hit the stop loss. You're looking at this and say, wait, there's a lot of money to lose there. It is actually a lot, and there's a risk in trading the financial markets, right? But look at the account. Let's scroll back up. You're gonna see a lot of TPs hit this morning, right? So what happened here is that the market went up opposite on the opposite side, and it reached so high, and this morning now, around 2 to 3 o'clock, the market started to drop, guys, and it literally dropped. What you wanna mean drop? Real drop. Right? So if you anybody caught it at that time, I've been a lot of profits right now on the sell side of things, right? So I call it I mean, I hit a loss there, right? So I stopped trading the gold and I look for my other peers that I'm working with for some confirmation, right? So I'm gonna show you here the account. You can see my TP hit here, and these orders was placed early in the morning, like 5:30. Our next order was placed at 5:42, right? Our next TP was 5:30. So around that time, I woke up, I look at my analysis, put the pairs that I normally trade, and I look for my confirmation. So I'm gonna just show you some of the stuff that I recorded, and it wasn't a lot I was looking for really, and I'm gonna show you how it played off in my favor. So this was like a 20 pip trade here. Look at this USD shift. This actually went up close to 60 or 70 pips from where I call it. Zero drawbacks, more stop loss. The reason why I put it here, originally it would have been here, right? So take profit one time, guys. This happened before I leave my house up at 7 and thing. I see take profit hit. So that is one idea there, right? The next idea was the card chef. What just say, guys? Zero drawback. What should I entry was? Zero drawback, you understand? And watch how far that went up in the high. That going to about 60 pips, 70 pips as well in the profit zone. And the other one, right? USD chef, card chef, right? This was a card chef. Right, so basically it was those two was the main trade. Right, this is the goal here. I think this was the goal trade that I recorded. So you see what's going on here. Put my stop loss, I put my take profit on stuff. And if I hit play here, what should happen? It reached our maximum high there, and then it dribble. Look, it actually hit the take profit level. If I had entered back again, I could have get that take profit level. But this is just to show you the outcome of these opportunities trading the financial markets. So Nevertheless, I was able to build the account to $209 with these take profit levels this morning. So I built back the account. And now if I decide to cash out here, that's $209. So if I decide to cash out here, that's literally $1,776 TT if I decide to cash out currently. But I'm waiting through the week to see how it goes. But it's to give you an idea, guys. It's to give you an idea. The reason why I do this video is to show you the outcome and the possibilities as well. Right? So we have a WhatsApp group. It's basically free to join the WhatsApp group. You can message me to get involved with this particular WhatsApp group, and you can see some information being shared too as well. Now the copy and paste program, that program going real good, right? I think I posted. Let me just get some information here, right? So we had some Euro USD in the copy and paste program that hit the take profit levels, and guys, I'm telling you, it was real good. If you see on my screen here, it's trading at 0.05 TP, $67 on that TP3. So a real good outcome on the copy and paste program so far. If you're interested in getting 1 month of the copy and paste program, you right now we have it for $800 TT, that is. So I'm just pull up a flyer on the copy and paste program quickly here. It's basically we do the work, sending the signals to you and you execute the idea. Again, if you're brand new, take the training. You'll get to understand how everything works, right? Afterwards, you could take the copy and paste program, all up to you. But real high probability setups. I mean, we did a lot of videos showing people like results for a month or 2 weeks or a week, stuff like that, hitting 10%, 12%, 5%. You understand? Different strategies approaching the copy and paste program. So that is for persons who do have the time and you want to get involved. You could basically contact me to get involved with the copy and paste program that I'm offering. So right now, 800 TT for the copy and paste. Remember, that is separate from the training. If you want to come in the training like you're going to a school, just a crash course you're going to learn, and it's 6 days you're looking at for 500 TT, right? It doesn't mean to say how to take it every day. It be every other day based on your speed of learning as well. I'm flexible with the timing too, and it's being taught over Zoom. So if you require some more information, guys, you can feel free to reach out to me on the number on the screen here.